Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. Morgan Stanley analysts said that despite the fact that they recently downgraded PG&E Corporation to equal weight, they still think the 8.3% sell-off in the shares Friday afternoon is an overreaction. Analysts Greg Gordon and Rudy Tolentino said, quote, given what we believe the risk reward is in the stock today, the right price seems closer to $46 per share. The focus shouldn't be solely on PCG's direct liability, but also the risks to earnings growth. Assuming the majority of their liability exposure is in fact covered by insurance, the stock price discounts the risk that PCG will fall short of rate-based growth and or ROE aspirations. Our now lower price target lowered from $49.50 to $46, and EPS forecast assumes that PCG under-earns at its gas utility over the next several years as they spend O&M and capital dollars in excess of what is in their recent gas rate settlement to beef up reliability with the cost borne by shareholders. The bank sees fiscal 2010 EPS of $3.35 versus the consensus estimate of $3.41 per share, and for fiscal 2009 EPS of $3.65 versus consensus estimates of $3.71 per share. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. Also visit our website, tradethetrend.com, for more headlines.